Hey, hello, and my name is Sudarshan. Today, we are going to talk about fruits, which is called cranberries. Now, actually, in this type, there are many berries which we are going through. In last topic about the fruit, I was talking about strawberries. Now, today, this fruit is called cranberries because this cranberry is a very important fruit that plays in our day-to-day life, and we can use this anywhere. Before that, let me have a small talk. In the last video, there has been a major discussion which you may have watched it, guys, and as well as in an upcoming vlog, I've decided to make about let's save our earth and how to make people live longer. Because all these topics I have been made it a plan to talk, because the reason why I'm talking, since the world is going under lockdown for the past many days, which is more than 2 months, we can see that there is a increase in the death across the world. So you have to understand that why we are talking this topic and what it benefits the people but from all this. Okay, then it is possible to make ourselves healthy during this lockdown situation, because when it has started, when the lockdown started in the month of April or the month of May or somewhere, we were thinking that everything has become already in 15 days, but when we see that the things are getting more worse, we can openly see that like percentage and diseases are being increasing, just being spread across, and a person should understand that we should be aware of this kind of COVID-19, where people are suffering from so many things, as well as no hospitals, no places to get admitted in hospital, right? And in terms of health, we should give more importance, because one should know a proper diet can lead to various living longer, as well as making ourselves happy. In accordance, we are seeing that where are the problems occurring and how can be this avoided, but still we can see that the world is battling for this COVID-19, and everybody's are praying for this pandemic get disappeared, that this virus should get disappeared anywhere and it should not be found anywhere again. Like that kind of mindset, people are tend to worry more. This is the thing we can see across, right? And especially when it comes to taking diet, we must be always aware that taking right diet helps us to live longer, as well as when you are a gymnastic person or a workout person, surely this healthy fruits can help you to build muscles, as well as turn your arms and abs everywhere, isn't it? But now, as I said, it is the time for us to rise up and fight this COVID-19 and not to spread any kind of diseases. Every people are thinking that when this is going to get over, and this is going to get over, but answer is doesn't seem to be a protection. We can only say that there is an increase, but let's keep praying that everything should become all right. So, alighting from myself in various places more than 2 months, have a struggle behind the work, where we can see more Pandemics people are suffering from diseases and not able to overcome such kind of diseases. Okay, guys, we had a 5 minute talk, so let's get into the topic called as fruit. So we will now talk about a fruit called cranberries. Especially cranberries comes under the berry seasons, which are a group of evergreen dwarf shrubs, which means they belongs to the group of evergreen dwarf shrubs, or trailing one in subgenus. Now, what we have to understand is that these cranberries comes under two categories. One is native species of Vaccinium OXYCOCCOS. Another one is Vaccinium macrocarpon. These are the two things, which means they are native of two countries. One is Central Europe as well as the United States of America. Right? Now, these berries may refer to the native species of Vaccinium occurs, where in North America, cranberry may refer to macrocarpon, as I said. Now, what is its scientific name? Its scientific name is Vaccinium subg OXYCOCCOS. They are also a very popular superfood, which means this fruit is very popular all over the world. Even if it is a native place of America and Europe, what they do is that they harvest all those things and place it in a box and export to many countries like Switzerland, France, Russia, Switzerland, etc. So these are the countries when it comes to exporting. Right? Now, the people anywhere in the world use this as a form of a sauce or a juice, which means that people living in anywhere in the world, which also includes me, can also be added as a breakfast or as well as in healthy juice, which means this plays a very important role in day-to-day life, and which it can be also added to stuffing, casseroles or desserts, which means that these casseroles means desserts means usually nothing but cakes and chocolates. These are also called as desserts. And when it comes to desserts, United Arab Emirates. When it comes to United Arab Emirates, they are more famous for making desserts. So they can also, even cranberries are exported not only to Switzerland, they are also to Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and United Arab Emirates. So to those countries also cranberries are being exported. This is the thing. But what they are saying is that you can see added to stuffing casseroles or dessert, which means that not only this, and if you're consuming for bread or any dishes, breads or small kinds of buns, you can use this as a sauce to eat as a healthy option. Right? Now, it is also highly nutritious and also native to North America, Chile and Canada, which means North America, Chile are very famous for cranberries, but the only name is its kingdom name varies. As I said, when it comes to cultivation, the name of that cultivation varies, and not only to Canada, also native to North America, which means Florida, San Francisco, Chicago, Los Angeles. So these are the very famous places known for cranberries. Now, the total number of acres found in America for cranberries is 58,000 acres. This means that if that land is 58,000 acres, means that whole bunch of lands contains cranberries. That is the thing we're coming to say. Now, these are classified into two types. One is from Europe and one is from America. This European OXYCOCCOS means it's been harvested and cultivated in Central and Northern Europe. which means in France, Italy, German. These are London, or these are the parts of Central and Southern Northern European countries. When it comes to Vaccinium macroponent, this is related to the name of America. So we can see OXYCOCCOS and Vaccinium macroponent. So this is the name variation we can able to see, right? Now, whether it is Europe or America, they can be only found in acidic environment. Cannot be found in alkaline environment. This is it, guys. This is the definition of cranberries. Hope you liked my videos. See you up in the next topic. Till then, bye bye. Keep on watching.